Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. We are in Arlington this morning. We are working on this beautiful Lincoln Nautilus, I think is how you pronounce it. I could be wrong, but anyways, I am excited. I've been playing with this brand new product for me. I have finally upgraded from the Adams Swirl Killer. This one we're going to be talking about today is the Adams Swirl Killer, the 15mm Pro. All right, we're going to talk about a little bit of the specs, why I actually really do like this product. I'm going to give you the pros, the cons, maybe what I don't like about it, which really hasn't been much. It's really a really good machine, so stay tuned. That's what we're going to be talking about today, and hopefully you like this review on the new Adams Swirl Killer SK Pro. We'll be right back. Let me put this car inside the garage, and we'll get started with the correction phase. Started. Before I start correcting this car, I guess I was like, let me go ahead and just get this review out of the way. Again, this is the Adams Swirl Killer 15mm Pro. So I'll be posting a link obviously down below where I purchased it. This one here is $300. I think I got it on Amazon for like $279, I think. Obviously once I put the link, if the price change, obviously it's there, but the time of the video I purchased it for about $279. all right. Did I need a new polisher? Not really. My Adams Swirl Killer is still doing amazing, guys, but I don't know why this one caught my attention. And I said, hey, what the heck? I deserve something, a little of an upgrade, right? So I ended up buying the Adams Pro. What I did like about it, or what comes out of the box, right? How does this polisher come? Out of the box, guys, you're automatically gonna come with a 5-inch backing plate, which I love, because usually they all come with a 6-inch backing plate, and then I have to exchange the backing plate. So for that, I love the Adams already. All right, so it comes with a 5-inch backing plate. This one, I feel like it's a little bit thicker than the other polishers. It has these holes on the side, which, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is gonna help from overheating, and that's one thing I do like, because I don't know if you guys struggle with, a lot of times your backing plates, they tend to come off the adhesive, and obviously it's because it's so much heat building that with time this top falls off. So I do love that it has that as well. Another key feature, guys, that I did like about this polisher is just the way it sits. So I'm able to comfortably put it in the floor and it'll balance out nicely. It lays out nicely on the floor. Obviously, if you ever put it on a car, I tend to always have a towel and lay it on there, just for the sake of protecting the paint at all times. All right. What amazed me of this polisher, I think once I started using it, is the power that it has. So this one gives you 2,000 up to 5,000 orbits per minute. And if I was to have a side-by-side with my previous Adams Swirl Killer, this one will outbeat it with power any day, guys. Even at speed 2 or 3, this thing feels like if I was at speed 6, I don't know. But if you have this machine, let me know what you guys think about it. But even this is speed 2, guys. Check it out. Watch. It has a slow start, just like every Adams Swirl Killer, or any Adams polisher. It has a slow start. The trigger, I love it because you're able to adjust your speed if you want, if you will. You're able to kind of control the flow of the movement. All right, and check out speed 6, guys. Look at this. This thing is a monster. I did put pressure on it a couple days ago while I was polishing. I would put pressure, and even at speed 6, this thing is going strong. Like, you can hear the motor really like forcing itself, which I do love. Now, This one comes with a the cord also detaches, which is very cool. All you have to do is just push this little little knob in here, and boom, you're able to take it off. And I believe I don't have any more of this type of polisher, but if you have another Adams polisher, I'm sure you can literally take this cord into the next one and you're all set. You keep going. It gives you, the cord is actually 25 feet, which is a plus for many of us detailers that are polishing. We always want a longer cord. It's going to help us really consume with time. You know, it just keeps us going faster. All right, so it has a detachable cord, which is a plus. All right, and the last thing that caught my attention on this is it comes with a 90 lumens light already included in here. And this is why it's the Pro, guys. It's gonna give you this light is actually pretty bright, guys. Look at that. So you push this little button right here, all right, and there you have 90 lumens. And I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but that is pretty good, guys. So as you're polishing, you know, if you forgot your light or you're working in low light setting, guys, you can literally polish and you're gonna be able to see your correction as you're working. That was a selling point for me. I was like, you know what, I gotta have it, because when I saw that light, it was great. Now, Carlos, you're saying nothing but positive. What's a negative? One of the negatives, I guess I would say, is for me, obviously once I figured this out a little bit, I got used to it. But for me, I love to grab my polishers from right here. I feel like I have a better control. All right, if you have lighting, perfect, you can just hold it like this if you wish, right? But for me, with this one, when you went to correct, right, and I wanted to use my light, I'm literally blocking the light. So I couldn't really see a lot of the correction or the light because I'm just used to grabbing it from right here. So what I ended up doing is, obviously it comes with this holder, or you know, to hold your polisher. So what I ended up doing is I put it on, and then what I did is literally put it like this, and that just gives me more grabbing. So when I put the polisher down, now I'm able to see all the light. It's a very bright light, to be honest. So I did love that. That was truly a game changer. And that's why really I wanted to try this one out. So far, Adams has been nothing but good to me. I have really enjoyed this polisher, because the previous one that was sent to me by a viewer, you know, he blessed me with that one, and it's going strong. And then this one, I can only imagine how long it's going to give me. This is a it's also a 110 volts, all right, and this is a 1000 watt motor. So very powerful motor. It gets the job done, guys. And maybe some of you guys may want to see it in action. So let me put some polish on my pad and I'll give you guys a quick demo. This is white paint, so it probably is not going to be the best demonstration, right? But just to kind of show you guys of how well this thing works, we're going to start at speed 1, and then we'll speed it up as we go, and you guys can see this machine. Very smooth, very smooth. Vibration is very minimal, which is what I like. I haven't, you know, felt like, oh, my hands feel kind of numb or something, but this thing works. So here we go. So that's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, four, here goes 5, and 6. And another thing about this machine that I have really enjoyed is the curves. When you hit these curves, the pad really keeps spinning and doesn't really boggle around curves or edges. So that is why I have really enjoyed the Adams Swirl Killer SK Pro, or the Adams SK Pro, SK for Swirl Killer. 15 millimeter, 5-inch backing plate. Very powerful, guys. Perfect polisher for those who are maybe just starting, or if you're looking for your next polisher to buy. I highly recommend this one. I think it's going to be a great contender, a great polisher for many of the of us mobile detailers. So anyways, check it out, guys. I hope today's video kind of helped you guys out and maybe buying your next polisher. Again, God bless you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe.